This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Helen Van Orden. New year, new home. This is a beauty. 3-story with potential 4th bedroom or flex room. 2 full baths, 2 half baths. This home is move-in ready. Large, open floor plan downstairs, expansive bedrooms upstairs and 3rd floor as a bonus. Large brick patio around detached shed and fire pit. Highly sought after home in Pelegs Point community within 5 miles of Historic Colonial Williamsburg and all its amenities. Beautiful views of the community pond that is stocked with bass for fishing, and its wildlife make the backyard a true oasis. Don't let this one get away. For more information, review the details below or contact Helen Van Orden at 757-897-9670.